Hey guys, welcome back to Design Your Space by Thando. This is my daughter's bedroom or my daughter's playroom. She doesn't really sleep here, she only plays in this room, but I really need to transform this room. I wanted to change it into a beautiful guest bedroom and an office space for me, because I do have a home-based business and I need to get things in order. I need to sit down in an office-like environment where I can get ideas and get motivated. So this is how the room looks like. I have this chest of drawers that I DIY'd myself. I'm tired of this now. I need to let it go. I have that headboard. It's rusted, it's old. I need to let it go as well. So I'm just gonna keep the bed and I'm gonna get a desk and an office chair, just to create the space that I need. So yeah, journey with me guys and see how this room will transform. I got this whiteboard at for 130 at a thrift shop, so it's a really good deal. So that I want to transform this bedroom into a beautiful guest bedroom and office space. So I hope you guys are excited. Yeah man, let's do it. So this is how this place looks. I've basically taken out everything in here and I want to start over. And as you can see, it's really small, and I'm just going to try to make it a proper office and a guest bedroom. So I just realized that the bed is a bit too big. I think I'm going to put a headboard. I have to do something. So I need that fixed, and I have this much space left. So this is how this bedroom is looking. The furniture is quite big actually, and it's taking up a lot of space. So I'm just figuring out ways to lay the furniture. And I took out the chest of drawers. I took out the headboard that was really big and taking up so much space. So this is how it's looking for now. I like how this leaves so much space here, but I'm not really thrilled that the desk is way over there. Yeah, so I think I'll leave this video here while I try to really fix this room up. So now it's not really looking as I had imagined, but obviously I still need to switch the furniture around, and yeah, I'll get to it. But for now, this is how this room is looking. This is my desk and my chair. So yeah, we are really short of space, but the queen of multifunctional spaces is here. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm just gonna play around with the space and see what works. So please let me know if you have any ideas on what I should do with this space and how I should lay out the furniture to give my desk some space and the bed as well, to kind of create a multifunctional room. So yeah guys, let me know, leave your comments on the comment section, and what I'll do is I'll upload a complete office and guest room tour for you guys so that you can see how everything turned out.